How to start crochet business.
Starting a crochet business is an exciting journey. First, hone your skills, practice different stitches and patterns until you feel confident. Next, identify your niche. Are you creating cozy blankets, trendy accessories, or unique home decor? Knowing your target market is crucial. Once you have your products, set up an online presence. Use platforms like Etsy or Shopify to showcase your work. High-quality photos are essential. They should capture the texture and colors of your creations. Pricing can be tricky. Consider your materials, time, and market trends. Don't undervalue your work. Finally, promote your business through social media and local craft fairs. Engage with your audience, share your process, and build a community around your passion. Remember, consistency and creativity are key to standing out in the crochet world.